Alright, let's start simple. A high-yield savings account is just like your regular bank account, but it pays you more money for letting your cash sit there. Think of it like your money earning a tiny paycheck while you sleep. It's super safe, insured by the government, and the best place if you don't want to risk losing a single dollar. Now let's talk about CDs, or certificates of deposit. Think of it like making a deal with the bank. You give them your money, they keep it safe for a set time, like 6 months or a year, and in return, they pay you higher interest than a normal account. The catch? You can't touch that money until the time is up. It's safe, steady, and perfect if you don't need quick access. Treasury bonds and T-bills are like lending your money to the US government. You give them cash, they promise to give it back later with a little extra. T-bills are short-term, bonds are long-term. It's one of the safest ways to grow money because the US government almost never breaks a promise. An index fund is like buying a tiny piece of 500 big companies all at once, like Apple, Amazon, and Google. Instead of betting on one stock, you spread your $1,000 across all of them. If the companies grow, your money grows too. It's safer than picking one company, and over time, history shows the S&P 500 usually goes up. Fractional shares mean you don't need thousands of dollars to own big companies like Amazon or Tesla. Instead of buying one full share, you can buy just a small slice, like owning a piece of pizza instead of the whole thing. So even with $100 or less, you can still invest in the biggest brands you use every day. Dividend stocks are like owning a piece of a company that pays you back just for holding their shares. Imagine if every few months Apple or Coca-Cola said, "Thanks for trusting us, here's some extra cash." That's a dividend. Your money can grow two ways, the stock price going up and those little bonus payments stacking up over time. Spending money on online courses is like leveling up in a video game. You learn new skills, like coding, design, or marketing, that make you more valuable at work or in business. The $1,000 you spend can turn into higher paychecks or even your own side hustle. It's an investment in yourself that keeps paying back. Building a side hustle means starting a small money-making project outside your job. It could be selling stuff online, freelancing, or even starting a YouTube channel. You use your $1,000 for tools or setup, and if it works, that small start can grow into a steady stream of extra cash every month. Real estate investment trusts let you invest in real estate without buying a house. You put money into a company that owns big buildings, like malls, apartments, or offices, and they pay you a share of the rent. It's like being a landlord, but without fixing toilets or dealing with tenants. Just invest, and if the buildings make money, you get paid too. Crypto is like digital money you can buy and sell online. Coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum can go way up in value, but they can also crash fast. Some people make huge profits, others lose big. It's risky like a roller coaster ride, but you should only invest money you're okay with losing. Collectibles are special items like sneakers, sports cards, or even rare wine that can go up in value over time. It's kind of like treasure hunting. You buy something cool now, and if more people want it later, you can sell it for more. But remember, not everything becomes valuable, so it's a bit of a gamble. Diversification means don't put all your money in one basket. Instead, split it up, some in safe places, some in stocks, maybe a little in real estate or skills. That way, if one thing loses value, the others can balance it out. It's the secret rich people use to grow money steadily without huge risks. And if you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments. I read them all, and who knows, your question might be the topic of my next video. Thank you.